Using the Xiris Weld cameras stationed in Burlington and Ancaster, Ontario, Canada, we set out to capture an extraordinary event, the total solar eclipse 2024. Our XVC 1100 Xiris camera, designed for welding and without filters, ensured safe filming even in the face of intense sunlight. While regular cameras risk damage, our Xiris cameras are built to handle intense brightness, like the light from a welding arc. At the eclipse's peak, the moon passes over the sun. As the video ends, we see the breathtaking totality with the mesmerizing ring of fire.